remembering to post in every group at exactly the right time, every single week. Nobody has the discipline for that. Not forever anyway. Vyroq's group post automation builds the recurring schedule once, then runs it forever. In your group post rule, jump to the posts, step and click Add Post to open a new slot. Set its schedule. Pick which days of the week it fires and the exact schedule time. Say every weekday at 9 a.m. Want a limited run instead of forever? Set a start date, an end date for the slot's window, and choose number of posts so it stops exactly when you want. Add multiple slots for multiple cadences. A Monday motivational post, a Friday recap, each with its own independent schedule, living inside one rule. Back on the rule itself, set your maximum sends per group for 24 hours, flip it active, and hit save. From that second on, Vyroq fires every post on schedule. No reminders, no forgetting, no manual sends. That's a content calendar that runs itself week after week. Start yours free at vyroq.com, no credit card, and a 14-day money-back guarantee.